Hello, greetings from Booneri TV. In today's topic of Animal World, we will see why do pandas eat bamboos? And we will also see how much do pandas eat? Let's find out. When we think of them, these black and white furry animals, what comes to our mind is cute little creatures. They are so adorable, aren't they? Many people even like to have panda teddies as dolls and soft toys at home because it's just so appealing. Wish we could cuddle a panda and sleep with them cozily, right? In reality, an adult panda is not as little as we think. It can be about 1.5 meters, that is 5 feet long. Some pandas can weigh up to 45 kilos. These giant pandas can't stand. They walk on all fours. Also, there was a movie named Kung Fu Panda, where you saw the panda doing kung fu moves, but in reality they don't. Pandas from the very beginning at a tender age of just 7 months can start tree climbing. Yes, they can climb trees. When a baby panda is born, it is blind and furless. Initially, they are pink in color. Then they start getting fur, and after about 3 weeks, they turn into black and white color. Not all giant pandas are black and white. Some of them are different. A few are brown and white, but these are very rare. Pandas even know to swim in water. If we make a comparison between human beings and pandas, we human beings have hectic lives from morning to night, working all day long. But all a panda does the whole day is to just eat and sleep. What does a panda eat? Watch ahead. A panda's favorite food and love is for bamboo shoots. They are crazy for bamboos. Even if their diet consists of other small fishes, rodents, etc., but the pandas will love to eat more of bamboos only. It's their delicacy. From all the food that a panda eats, over 99% is bamboos as compared to the other foods available. They spend nearly 14 hours just eating. Pandas can consume between 10 to 15 kilos of bamboo each day. Some pandas who have been kept in captivity do have access to other foods, but still the pandas will only love to eat bamboos. More of bamboos in their diet, and the other food items sum up to a very little quantity. After eating so much of food, they can poop as much as 28 kilos per day. Do you know eating bamboo isn't all that nutritious for pandas? In fact, the other animals don't even eat much of the bamboos. Then why do pandas eat so much of it? There are reasons for it. One is because bamboo is everywhere in the natural habitat of the pandas. It is an incredibly plentiful food resource that regrows quickly. So it's like a staple food for them. The second reason is if we compare pandas with other animals, unlike the others, a panda's digestive system is very simple, with only a simple stomach and short small intestine. This means that pandas do not digest dense plant matter very efficiently, so it relies heavily on bamboo shoots for food. So the short intestines and digestive system is another reason. There's a third reason. It has something to do with a panda's wrist. What's that? Take a look. Here's the third reason. Unlike we humans who have 4 fingers and 1 thumb, pandas don't have the same. They have a unique elongated wrist bone that acts as a sort of 6th thumb, allowing them to grip bamboo stalks with added dexterity, making it easier for them to eat. One more reason is that the jaws of the pandas have extremely strong structure. Their teeth are flat and large, ideal for grinding up and breaking down dense bamboo. This jaw and teeth combo means food can be broken down easily, making the digestion process easier. So no problem even if the intestine is shorter. Another extra reason is that there's a finding from the researchers, and that is when pandas eat bamboos, their brain releases a chemical named dopamine. What's this chemical? This makes them feel happy. It's the same for us. For example, when we see any sugary foods like cakes or chocolates or anything else, we experience a happy feeling. For pandas, that feeling is when they see bamboos. This happens because the chemical is released from their brain, making them feel happier. So these were some 5 reasons why pandas love to eat bamboos.